Alright, so there she sits idling nicely. I had to clean the pilot jet one more time. The bike has been sitting here for a couple of weeks, and in that short time, the pilot jet got clogged up again. So I'll show you the process for cleaning the pilot jets on a Mikuni, and it's something you'll have to do if you let the bike sit for more than a few weeks so that the bike will start properly and idle nicely. Right now it sounds good. Okay, running nicely, idling nicely.